Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a full body workout. I've got 10 exercises, all body weights. We're going to be doing no follow exercises today. Each exercise is 1 minute and no rests, okay? No rest because we are going to kick our own butts today. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get into the workout. All right, starting off with speed squats. For this exercise, you know what to do. You know what this is. We're going to be doing some fast squats. So squat down, arms are out. Keep your back nice and straight. Spine to belly button connection. We're going to speed squat up and down. We're going to do this for 1 whole minute. Breathe, you guys. Make sure you keep good form. Knees should be behind the front toes so we don't create tibial translation, okay? You know, I got that new word in my vocabulary, and we're going to be here for a minute.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
Moving into reverse lunges, we're gonna do one leg at a time here to really isolate that booty muscle. Lunges are so good, especially for the under booty ladies. Don't skip your lunges. Again, front knee stays behind the front toe and keep your back nice and straight. I like to put my hands on my hips. It's more comfortable. You can put your hands wherever you want to. Just keep them off of your legs, you know. Don't lean. When you lunge forward, don't lean on your knee. That's a no-no. I've seen people doing it. I'm like, what are you doing? No. Hands, hips, hands, head, down by the side. Doesn't really matter. Just keep good form. We're going to do a minute on each leg.
Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay.
Next, we're gonna do diagonal toe tap. So for this exercise, stand up nice and tall, bring your arms out to the sides of you like an airplane, and we're gonna bring opposite hand to opposite toe and reach back up. We're gonna do this for 1 minute as well. Every exercise here is 1 minute, you guys, so I don't have to keep saying that, just to be clear.
I'm coming for the throne. my enemy. You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins, won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane, it's your mistake.
From here, we're gonna get into calf raises. Go ahead and stand up nice and tall, and we're gonna come on our tippy toes. I'm doing a standard calf raise, so feet are shoulder width apart. We're not doing toes out or in. We're just doing right there in the middle. Really build up that calf. I used to have really, really small calves, and I actually built them up unintentionally just by doing leg exercises. Leg workouts will build up those calves. Also, horse riding has done wonders.
So you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. I'm coming for the throne. I'm coming for the throne.
Next, we're gonna do some standing oblique crunches. So bring your hands up behind your head and reach that elbow to that knee. Kick that knee up as high as you can and crunch those sides. We're working here the internal obliques. So those are those lines on the inside, like the parentheses around the six pack, if you know what I'm talking about. This is so good for the obliques. If you guys struggle from love handles, you can go a little bit wider, and instead of bringing your knee in, you can bring your elbow down a little bit more. But I'll show you that in a different exercise just so you guys can get a good visual. Let's just focus on this exercise, but you know, I'm always here for giving tips.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. This shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't want to keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this.
Moving down to the mat, we're gonna do side leg raises. Actually, I'm not using a mat in this video. I don't know why, but go ahead and lay down whatever's comfortable. You can put your arm up, 90-degree angle, bent, or you can lay your hand down. I did both. I think down feels a little bit better, but we're gonna raise that leg up. Again, this is a great exercise for the obliques as well as that side booty. You'd be surprised here. So go ahead and bring the leg up all the way into a 90-degree angle and lower it back down. We're gonna do 1 minute on each side.
Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. If you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
faceless.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you.
Coming into side bridges or side planks. For this exercise, bring your body up into a side plank hover. We're only gonna do 30 seconds on each side here, and that's gonna equal a minute. So go ahead and do your side planks. You know what I noticed? I noticed that I stick my butt out with these exercises a little bit. So make sure that you're really tucking your pelvis in, spine to belly button connection, pull that pelvis in and keep a nice flat curve to your body. Keep a nice straight line here with your body. You don't want your butt to poke out. You just want it all together, kind of like plank, but on the side. Yeah, I noticed that my form was a little bit off, so I corrected it here. Make sure that your form feels good. If it feels like you're struggling, take it slow. It is a challenging exercise.
I remember the night when you kissed me goodbye, and I said I'd be just fine. The next day you were gone, but your car and moved on. But looking back,
We know this one very well, you guys. We're gonna do some shoulder taps. So coming into the plank position, arms are extended out. You're gonna go ahead and tap one shoulder at a time. Try not to rock your body as much as possible. You wanna keep it as stiff as possible. Tuck your butt in. No poking the butt out, no arch in the back, just nice and flat like a board.
cause it tastes like candy. Tasty. Tastes like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feels so bittersweet, knowing I can leave.
All right, moving to glute bridges. Come onto your back. You're gonna lift your midsection off the ground. You can lift your toes off the ground as well and just focus on balancing those heels. Bring your arms up above you. This is just gonna feel nice and good. It's also gonna be a great way to incorporate those back muscles, and we're going to glute bridge here for 1 minute.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car.
All right, last but not least, you guys, we have plank oblique crunches. So coming into the plank position with the arms extended out, you are going to keep your upper body stagnant and move those legs up to the outside of your elbows, almost like a crocodile. You know how a crocodile would crawl? Well, we're doing that with our lower body. Upper body is staying the same. So bring those knees up and out on the sides of you. Really crunch those obliques in. This is great for love handles right here. If you have love handles, muffin tops, any type of side like fat you have going on there that you don't want there, do these exercises. You can do them daily. I know that fat isolation is not a thing, but if you build up your muscles, you're gonna be able to burn fat. So you can do these daily.
I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this full body workout. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another workout. Bye.